the Shubhada is preserved. Krishna says that in Gita. Ananyas chintyanto mam ye jana paripashate te shannityabhayuktanam yoga shema mahamyam. I preserve what you have. I keep what you have is good. What you have is good, I let you keep it and I make it better. And what you have is bad, I take away. I carry what you need, I preserve what you have, and I keep away what you don't need. So that's all implied in the phrase yoga shema mahamyam. Waham means I carry. Aham wahan. I carry the good things to you and give them to you. And I take away the bad things. And any other good things you have, I increase their quality and I increase their amount of the good things you have. You have some humility, you have some patience, you have some mercy and compassion, and then that's nice, you have these things. Now you surrender to me, I'll keep those, I'll preserve those, and I'll increase it more and more. You'll become more merciful and more patient and more tolerant by the mercy of Krishna.